I'm super impressed by this. It cleans everything in one smooth swipe.
Wow, these wipers are cleaning so much better than my old ones.
It's so much quieter. Like, do you hear that?
What makes KIMBLADE X special? KIMBLADE X is the world's first rectangular wipers that are fitted with a multi-joint buffer system for nearly silent but powerful wiping. Listen for yourself. KIMBLADE X is quiet from start to finish, even when the wipers are changing direction. Experience the quiet new world of safe wipers with KIMBLADE X.
We all know that every year our cars are fitted with increasingly advanced technology, but windshield wipers, they're the same as they've always been. At KIMBLADE, we've created the world's first rectangular linkage wiper blades and started our very own windshield wiper revolution. KIMBLADE's unique rectangular wiper blades quickly wipe away dirt, water, and grime, all while retaining their original shape and power in any environment. Plus, our special silicone wiper blade material is treated with a long-lasting water-repellent coating that maintains its strength as you use it. There's also a carbon nanotube added to the wiper blades for the same great performance with no deformities in high and low temperatures. Now we're back with the KIMBLADE X, which retains all of the KIMBLADE greatness you know and love, but with an extra twist. The next level of quiet wiper technology. Windshield wipers have a structural problem. When they change direction at the end of their arc, there's a loud noise that goes with it. And whether you're driving in the rain or sitting parked in your car, this noise starts to get on your nerves after a while, especially if you're driving an EV or other vehicle that operates silently. No matter how much technology has progressed, no manufacturer has been able to get rid of that annoying windshield wiper sound. Sure, some have managed to cover up the noise, but none have truly gotten rid of it because they don't know how. KIMBLADE has done what no wiper or car manufacturer could do. We solved the core problem with windshield wipers. First, we revolutionized wiper blade design to put a stop to blade deformation and increase product life overall. Second, we have effectively eliminated the wiper turnaround sound for the real meaning of quiet windshield wipers. KIMBLADE X uses the principle of vehicular suspension to maintain an even center for the windshield wipers, thus eliminating the noise made when wipers change direction and fall on the windshield. As a result, our wipers are the quietest wipers out there. That's the difference of KIMBLADE wipers. With KIMBLADE X's near noiseless operation and perfect visual clarity, driving has never felt this good in rain or snow. Now, you're free to let your ears focus on the soothing sounds of the rain, or on your favorite music or podcast. We also provide our very own glass cleaner that removes stubborn muck from deep within the windshield, plus water-repellent coating treatment for easy windshield maintenance. KIMBLADE X is the best choice for powerful, durable, and quiet wipers for any and all vehicles.
They clean so well, and they're so quiet. I don't think I can use my old wipers anymore.
This was not only so quiet, it cleaned so well, and it's long-lasting. I'm obsessed. This is like perfect.
No need for expensive, complicated tools. Just change out your wipers. Then you'll have world-class wipers that outclass even the most state-of-the-art luxury vehicle. That's the power of KIMBLADE X.